Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how to access the hidden camera on your Realme device and capture some unique photos. So this video is going to be a fast one, so let's get started. To access the hidden camera on your Realme device, click on the link which is given in the description below. It will take you to this page. In this page, you need to click on this PSG button on this popular models tab. Click on this button. After clicking on that button, it will take you to this page. In this page, you can download the latest Gcam version and install it on your Android smartphone. On your phone, go to the app drawer and open up Google Camera. When it opens up, click on the top arrow button and it will show you the 4 lenses available. The first one is going to be the normal one, the second one is going to be the wide one, third one is going to be the macro lens on my Realme XT, and the fourth one is going to be the hidden lens, which is the depth sensor on my device. I will show you the sample images shot with that sensor. All the images shown above are shot with the depth sensor of the Realme device. The photos taken have a purple hue which gives it a retro look. So if you guys are into this kind of photos, then try it for yourself. So that's it for today's video guys. If you guys liked it, press the like button, subscribe, and see you guys again in the next one.